Hi, today on Repair This Old Car, we ended up picking up some Scott Drake center caps for our 1968 Mercury Cougar. And basically they offer these in a variable of sizes. And here I'll switch the camera angle. And you can see here that the center hole on these can vary from different years of Magnum 500, where you got the style steeled wheels or the actual Magnum 500s. Now these are Magnum 500s. I know they're a little rusty looking and could be painted or whatever at a later date. Maybe we'll do a video on that and show you how to mask them off and paint them up and make them look like they're brand new. But these are the center caps here, and I'll show you. They weren't a bad price. Ended up picking them up from Summit Racing. And for the cost, I mean, the quality's not terrible. I know with Scott Drake I've heard different things, but I mean, you can see it's pretty nice. Comes with that. Comes with the screws to go in there. They're machine screws. Look like they're a 1032 thread. The insides of them, not terribly welded. Too bad there for the inside, but then we're gonna get these on there and see what they look like. Alright, now we're showing you how to get these on there. We're going to take a little bit of blue Loctite with our machine screws here. I'll throw a little blue on there just because I don't want it to come loose. We got a lock washer too, but I've been doing cars for a while. I know a thing or two. I've seen a thing or two. Ours was the 2 1/8. So there, you get that in there like that. Oh. You gotta finesse this in there. Line it up best you can. It's a little trickier than you think it is. You can't really see what you're doing. There we go. I think we got it. At least one of them. There's one. Just to hold it. Throw a little Loctite on this bad boy. And loosen that back up a little. There we go. Kind of leave it loose till you get them all started. Like I said, put a little bit of Loctite on each one, just because they can back off from vibration. Like I said, you just want to get each one started. Make sure you don't strip them out. I mean, they're not cheap. They were like $134 or something like that. Don't remember offhand. Just trying to do a quick video here today. He's zooming in. I got my helper today, my son, filming me here. So now that we got them all started, we can tighten them down pretty good. Just go just till your lock washer there is flattened out. You don't want to get too crazy with it. That's why we put a little Loctite on them too. Can't see that one. Alright. Alright, cameraman, come on over here. I'll show you the newly installed center cap. from Scott Drake. It's not bad looking for the cost. Looks pretty good. I'm impressed with it. You can tell my Magnum 500 is a little old. I kind of need a little bit of chrome work done, but I can't complain for them being probably 50 some years old. And that's it. That's the video. Hope it was informative, and hope you like it.